In this video, we shall learn how to solve a quadratic equation by using the method of completing the square. These two formulas are important. They are always used in this method. To solve any quadratic equation by this method, the first step is that the coefficient of x square should be equal to 1. If it is not equal to 1, divide each term by the coefficient of x square so that the coefficient of x square becomes equal to 1. Let us do it. We write 11 x square minus 34 x plus 3 is equal to 0. And now divide each term by 11. So we have x square minus 34 divided by 11x plus 3 divided by 11 is equal to 0. If the coefficient of x square is already 1, in that case, just go to step number 2. Step number 2 is to shift the constant term, that is the constant term, to the right hand side. So we have x square minus 34 divided by 11x is equal to minus 3 divided by 11. Now, in the next step, we shall multiply the coefficient of x with 1 over 2. So let us do it. 1 over 2 into minus 34 divided by 11. And if we simplify, we have minus 17 divided by 11. So now we add the square of that thing, minus 17 divided by 11 whole square on both sides of the equation. So let us do it. We write x square minus 34 divided by 11x plus minus 17 divided by 11 whole square is equal to minus 3 divided by 11 plus minus 17 divided by 11 whole square. Now the left hand side will be automatically of the form a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. In this case, this is x minus 17 divided by 11 whole square, and that is equal to minus 3 divided by 11 plus 17 square, that is 289, 11 square, that is 121. And if we further simplify this, we have 121, and here we have minus 33 plus 289. And from this we can write that this is equal to 256 divided by 121. And now let us take the square root on both sides. So if we take the square root, we have x minus 17 divided by 11 is equal to 16 divided by 11, but here we have to write plus minus. Now let us take a new page. So to take a new page, now let us simplify it further. We have x minus 17 divided by 11, which is equal to plus minus 16 divided by 11. From this we can obtain that x minus 17 divided by 11 is equal to plus 16 divided by 11, or x minus 17 divided by 11 is equal to minus 16 divided by 11. Now from the first equation, we get x is equal to 16 divided by 11 plus 17 divided by 11. And if we simplify this, we have 33 divided by 11. From this we get the value of x, which is equal to 3. That is the first solution. Now look at the other equation. To solve this equation, we have x is equal to plus 17 divided by 11 minus 16 divided by 11. If we simplify this, we have 1 over 11, and that is second solution of that equation. So the solution is 3 comma 1 over 11, and that's all. To solve example number 2, we can see that the coefficient of x square is already 1. So we need to just shift the constant term to right hand side. And from this we have x square minus 2x is equal to 195. Now we have to multiply the coefficient of x with 1 over 2. From this we get minus 1. Now 8 minus 1 square on both sides of the above equation. So we have x square minus 2x plus minus 1 square. That is equal to 195 plus minus 1 square. From the left hand side we can see this is x minus 1 whole square. And from the right hand side we can get this is 195 plus 1. And that is equal to 196. Let us take the square root on both sides. From the left hand side we get x minus 1. From the right hand side now this is plus minus 196. From this we get x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 14. 14 into 14 is 196. Now from this we get two equations. X minus 1 is equal to plus 14 or x minus 1 is equal to minus 14. To solve the first equation we have x is equal to 14 plus 1, and from this we get one solution that x is equal to 15. And to solve the other equation we have x is equal to minus 14 plus 1. From this we get another solution x is equal to minus 13. So the solution set is minus 13 comma 15. That's all. To solve example number 3, we use the same procedure. We divide each term by a so that the coefficient of x square must be equal to 1. So we have x square plus 4 divided by ax minus 1 is equal to 0. In the next step, we shift the constant term to the right hand side of equation. We get this thing. And now in this step, we multiply the coefficient of x by 1 over 2. And from this we have 2 divided by a. Now add the square of that thing, which is 2 divided by a square on both sides. And we have x square plus 4 divided by ax plus 2 divided by a whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 divided by a whole square. Let us simplify this. The left hand side is equal to x plus 2 divided by a whole square. And to simplify the right hand side, we have 1 plus 4 divided by a square. And let us further simplify the right hand side by taking its LCM, which is a square. We have a square plus 4 divided by a square. And now let us take the square root on both sides. So from the left hand side we have x plus 2 divided by a is equal to plus minus under the root a square plus 4 divided by a square. Now let us shift 2 by a to right hand side. We get minus 2 by a plus minus a square plus 4 under the root and divided by a square, but a square under the root is equal to a. And now let us take the LCM. So the LCM is a, and we have minus 2 plus minus a square plus 4 under the root, and that is the required solution. So let us write it in a set. We have minus 2 plus minus under the root a square plus 4 and whole divided by a. That's all. To solve such type of equations, first of all, we convert them to the standard quadratic form. Let us take the LCM of left hand side. The LCM is 3x plus 1. So we get 4 into 3x plus 1 minus 8. And that is equal to 3x square plus 5 divided by 3x plus 1. Now multiplying both sides with 3x plus 1, so 3x plus 1 will cancel. And we have multiplying 4, so we get 12x plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 3x square plus 5. Now transfer all terms to right hand side. We get 3x square plus 5 minus 12x. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. When we transfer to right hand side, we get plus 4 equal to 0. And from this we get 3x square. Now write minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is standard form of the quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation, we use the same procedure. Divide each term by 3 so that the coefficient of x square must be equal to 1. So we get x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. In the next step, transfer the constant term to right hand side. We get minus 3 here. And now in this step we need to multiply the coefficient of x by 1 over 2. So we write 1 over 2 into 4. You can write 4 or minus 4 because at the end we shall add the square of that thing. So we add the square of 2 square on both sides. So due to the square, minus does not matter. So now from the above equation we obtain x square minus 4x plus 2 square is equal to minus 3 plus 2 square. Now left hand side is equal to x minus 2 whole square. And from the right hand side we have minus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 1. Now taking square root on both sides, we obtain plus minus 1. From the left hand side we get x minus 2 is equal to plus minus 1. And from this now we get two equations. X minus 2 is equal to plus 1 or x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. From the first equation we get 1 plus 2, so the value of x is equal to 3. And from the second equation we get x is equal to minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 1. So the solution set is 3, 1. That's all. To solve this equation, let us reduce it to the standard quadratic form. By expanding x plus 2a whole square, we get 7 into x square plus 4ax plus 4a square plus 3a square is equal to 5a into 7x plus 23a. And now let us multiply 7 inside the bracket. So we have 7x square plus 28ax plus 28a square plus 3a square is equal to, now multiply 5a inside the bracket. So 7 5s are is 35. We get 35 ax plus 5 into 23 is 115 a square. Now shift all terms to left hand side. We have 7x square plus 28 ax. From 28a square plus 3a square, we get plus 31a square minus 35 ax minus 115 a square is equal to 0. Now let us further simplify this. We get 7x square. From 28ax and minus 35ax, we have minus 7ax. From plus 31a square and minus 115a square, we get minus 84a square is equal to 0. And this is standard quadratic equation. Now divide each term by 7 so that the coefficient of x square will be equal to 1. So we have x square minus ax minus 12 a square is equal to 0. Now shift the constant term to right hand side. We have x square minus ax is equal to 12 a square. Now we multiply the coefficient of x by 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 into a. From this we get a divided by 2. So 8 the square of a by 2 on both sides of the above equation. So we have x square minus ax, adding a divided by 2 whole square is equal to 12a square, and now adding a divided by 2 whole square. The left hand side is equal to x minus a divided by 2 whole square. If we expand it by a minus b whole square formula, we can get the above equation. And from the right hand side, when we simplify, we have 12a square minus a square divided by 4. Let us take the LCM of right hand side. So we have 48 a square minus, sorry, that is plus a square. And if we further simplify this, we have 49 a square divided by 4. In the next step, we take square root on both sides. So we have x minus a divided by 2 whole square, and the square root is here now, is equal to plus minus 49 divided by 4 a square under the root. From this we get x minus a divided by 2 is equal to plus minus 7a divided by 4. Now we get two equations. X minus a divided by 2 is equal to plus 7a divided by, this is 2, okay? 4 under the root is 2. And the other equation is x minus a divided by 2 is equal to minus 7a divided by 2. Let us solve the first equation. So from the first we have x is equal to 7a divided by 2 plus a divided by 2. If we simplify, we have 8a divided by 2, and from this we get one value of x, which is 4a. Now let us solve the other equation. So from this equation we have x is equal to minus 7a divided by 2 plus a divided by 2. If we simplify this, we have x is equal to minus 6a divided by 2. And from this we get x is equal to minus 3a. That is another equation. So the solution set is minus 3a comma 4a. That's all.